ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, and since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy. The only thing is we mentioned how complex it can be, and we mentioned about the different possibility. That's why we mentioned if you want to look for buy, we need to wait for the correction in case this one tend to flat. Okay, anyway, since we have been looking for buy, this is what we have been looking for, and this is what we get. I mean the correction. And now as you can see, the price almost broke the previous stop. No one is, the only thing is anyone get a trade within this move, they have to start to manage, at least book some profit or move their stop loss to for break even. And now we're looking for continuation. And if we refer to the indicators, we have nothing, and here we have a divergence, but we're looking for the continuation. Okay, and it doesn't mean that the divergence at these times, it doesn't mean anything to us. And as you can see, we have been looking for this correction, and the price right now is almost at the top, the highest price for the ETH. Okay, and based on daily chart, we don't have anything to explain. And if we move to forward chart, the only thing is we get the breakout of this correction, and no, I mean this correction, and now we're looking for continuation. And if trade set up with a small correction of like from now, based on lower time frame, we will trade it. But if we put this one in relative to the previous stop and refer to the indicators, we see the divergence. Okay, that's why right now, can we expect this one tend to expanding flat? This is what we need to be aware. That's why we need to see the continuation here. Okay, any trade with the breakout of 2.3 or somewhere around 2.25 or 2.3, we need to consider as a short term. If we see the way is moving is already corrective, we just should have the proper management. At least we should be aware of this. Okay, anyway, we're looking for the continuation since we get the breakout of the top. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, any trade within this move, we have to start to manage. And right now we're looking at this. Any trade set up from here, we take it as I explained based on 4 hour chart. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.